Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a bestseller badge, or you can say it ribbon, on your GoHighLevel page pricing table. Okay, sometimes it's required to highlight your best product or your best pricing package of your product. Okay, so that's why we have created this bestseller ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you will apply this to your GoHighLevel page builder. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so I'm here on a blank page. I will take a column where I will put a headline. Okay, best. Okay, let's say this is bestseller pricing table base. Okay, now I will put my pricing table under this. Okay, and here I will add a check mark bullet list. Okay, like this. I will make a little bit of it. Let's say this is your product features or whatever you want, and then I'm going to make it 2. Okay, and then I will put a button under it. Okay, so I'll make the button full width to make this looks good, and also I will add some text. Okay, the let's say let's say this is a pricing plan 1. Okay. Then I'm going to copy this pricing plan 2, and then pricing plan 3. Okay, let me copy this one also. Top, copy this here. So it's 2 and then it's 3. Okay, so we have made 3 pricing plan. Okay, so this is the first one, second one, third one. Okay, and then I will copy the button also. Okay, and then I will add some type of background color. In this case, this is my highlighted background color. I will put some border. Okay, full border. Let me make it 5 pixel red. Okay, and then I will put a border radius 10 pixel. Okay, so this is our highlighted pricing plan. Okay, in this case. Okay, now I will add some option, like I will put border left right 10 pixel. Okay, 10 pixel. For this one I will do the same, left right border 10 pixel, to make some space. Okay, at the left side and at the right side. So this is not actually the page design tutorial, but I will show you how I will apply the code snippet. Okay, and add a ribbon here. Okay, so let me add some background color also to both of this plan. Okay. That's it. Okay, so we can also add the border radius for all of them. Let me make 10 pixel border radius also for this one. Border radius 10 pixel. That's fine. So I have made our pricing table. Okay, so now from our members area, this is code snippet members area, you will get the code snippet there, and just copy the code snippet and add into your code editor. Okay, you will get the code editor link here. I actually hide the actual code. Okay, because this is the part of our premium membership product. Okay, so that's why I hide the actual code. Okay, so let me just get the CSS ID of our highlighted plan for, let's say, for this one. Okay, so just select your column, okay, that we want to highlight, make bestseller, and then copy the CSS selector, okay, and then go back to the code editor and replace all of them. Okay, so replace this, so this with the new one, like this, okay, and click here, replace, and it actually replace everything. Okay, so now I'm going to copy it and going to paste it into our CSS. Okay, so a custom CSS option. Okay, you just need to click here and then put the custom CSS and hit the save. Okay, that's it. You see, we have now the bestseller ribbon added. Okay, so you can change the bestseller or anything else you want, like bestseller or the best value or whatever you want, and also you can adjust the color, the font size and everything. Okay, for the mobile version as well as for the desktop version. Okay, so let me save it and then we will preview it how it will actually look like. Let me show you this. Okay, so preview. Okay, so now you can see we added our bestseller badge on our highlighted pricing table. Okay, so if we check this on our mobile version, okay, then it will also mobile responsive. You see here, it's mobile responsive. You can adjust the height as I already said. Okay, let me do this. You see, this both of the column are just, there are no gap. Okay, so let me make 10 pixel or 20 pixel top margin for all of them. Okay, top margin 20 pixel for all of them. This one too. Okay, 20 pixel margin top. Let me save it. Okay, and then I think we also need to add margin bottom 20 pixel. Okay, instead of add margin bottom 20 pixel. So it's actually depends on your design. Okay, so how you actually want to make your pricing table looks like. But in this example, my actual goal is to show you how you can apply the code snippet to add the bestseller highlighter. Okay, so let me do this. Yes, it's working fine. And if I check on mobile, now I can see here if there is a gap and it's perfectly responsive for the mobile version also. Okay, so this is our pricing table on mobile and this is our pricing table on desktop. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe our YouTube channel, and also you can join our code snippet library community. Okay, this is our GHL SaasKits community where you will get lots of tips, tricks, and also you will get access to our free courses like GHL Code Snippet basic version, as well as GHL SaasKits All Access Plus training, as well as AI courses training, which is the AI Chatbot builder training. Okay, but if you want to use our premium course snippet, then you need to upgrade your account to premium. You can get it for $37 a month, or you can get the lifetime deal. Okay, you just need to visit our website ghlsaaskits.com. Okay, but our community, which is completely free, you can join there and you can enjoy our content here. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you again for watching this video. Have a nice day.